Go.
Good morning, everybody. Papa and me will open the 3D printer and we will assemble the 3D printer.
Okay.
And make golden YouTube.
Parts one by one. Okay, this one first. Take out this one.
What?
One.
So big and giant.
Done. Okay. Cool, the big the nozzle.
Everything here is a gantry, and this is the nozzle where it's installed.
Okay, good.
It's a nozzle kit where it's installed here.
Yeah. Okay.
The nozzle where
Install it here, okay?
Install it here.
And how many screws?
Four
4 screws.
screws here, and then you will attach the 4 screws.
Okay. Come. Let us attach the screws.
But how do we attach the 4 screws? We attach the gantry into the chassis by using 4 screws
Okay, what size of the screw? M5 screws.
and 5 screws.
Okay.
This is the wire clip we attach to the motor.
To the back of the
To the
motor.
back of the motor.
Okay. This is a lighting.
This is the lighting.
What is this part here that you just installed?
The lighting.
Then how many screws you installed here? How many screws?
1.
One. The other side? Another
One.
one also. So two screws.
This is a work and filament
Detector.
detector.
How did you install it?
I used two lines to install it.
Okay. Then you just put on top, right?
The
Okay.
LCD screen where we attach it here.
How many screws?
3.
Okay.
Everybody, well done.